Hey everyone, welcome to Well Nest. Today, we're tackling a common social woe, bad breath, also known as halitosis. Bad breath can be embarrassing and affect your confidence, but fear not, there are several natural remedies you can try to freshen your breath right at home. Brushing up on the causes. Before diving in, let's understand the culprits behind bad breath. Poor oral hygiene. Food particles left behind after meals can decompose and cause bad odor. Dry mouth. Saliva naturally cleanses your mouth and neutralizes odor-causing bacteria. Dry mouth can lead to a buildup of bacteria and bad breath. Diet. Certain foods like garlic, onions, and coffee can temporarily worsen breath odor. Smoking and tobacco use. Smoking and chewing tobacco contribute to bad breath. Medical conditions. Sometimes, bad breath can be a symptom of an underlying medical condition, such as sinus issues or acid reflux. Fresh breath fighters, your home remedies arsenal. Now, let's explore 10 powerful home remedies to combat bad breath. Brush and floss regularly. This is the foundation of good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes each time, and floss once a day to remove food particles stuck between teeth. Scrape your tongue. Bacteria can build up on your tongue, contributing to bad breath. Use a tongue scraper gently to remove this film. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day keeps your mouth moist and flushes out bacteria. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily. Power up with fruits and veggies. Crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, celery, and carrots act as natural toothbrushes, stimulating saliva production and helping remove food particles. Spice up your breath with mint. Mint leaves have natural antibacterial properties that can freshen breath. Chew on fresh mint leaves or sip on sugar-free mint tea. Baking soda power. Baking soda has natural deodorizing properties. Make a paste with baking soda and water and brush your tongue gently. Caution: don't swallow the paste. Yogurt to the rescue. Yogurt with live and active cultures, probiotics, can help balance the good and bad bacteria in your mouth, potentially reducing bad breath. Green tea's goodness. Green tea contains antioxidants and has natural deodorizing properties. Sip on sugar-free green tea throughout the day for a breath boost. Cloves for a fresh burst. Cloves have antibacterial properties that can fight odor-causing bacteria. Chew on a whole clove, beware, it's strong, or swish with diluted clove oil for a quick breath freshener. Caution: don't use concentrated clove oil directly on your mouth. Salt water swish. Mix a teaspoon of salt in warm water and swish thoroughly for 30 seconds. This can help loosen food particles and freshen breath. Remember, consistency is key. Make these remedies a regular part of your routine for long-lasting fresh breath. If bad breath persists despite home remedies, consult a dentist or doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. With these tips and a bit of practice, you can say goodbye to bad breath and hello to a fresher, more confident you. Live fresh and feel great. We hope this video empowered you with knowledge and effective strategies to combat bad breath. If you found it informative, consider subscribing for more health and wellness tips. Share this video with anyone who might be struggling with bad breath. Fresh breath is a gift we can all share.